Vieto Fernandez seems to be responding, saying that his words have been twisted. How come, Aditi, what is he now saying in his clarification?
Well, he's saying that he's ready for an open debate on his clarification. He says that his words were twisted and taken out of context by the Goa's chief minister and the BJP itself. Over here is the reaction coming in. Virashu says, "Dear Goa CM, don't try to twist and turn selective words from my speech to get political mileage and spread venom. I am ready for an open debate on what I spoke, as well as issues of destruction of identity of Goa, rise in unemployment, inflation, crimes and corruption under the BJP."
जी धन्यवाद आपका आदित्य हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। अरुणील, मुद्दा क्या है यहाँ पर? क्या ये कांग्रेस साउथ गोवा के कैंडिडेट जो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट जिस तरह के इश्यूज वो उठाना चाहते हैं या आखिरकार डुअल सिटीजनशिप का मुद्दा उठाना चाहते हैं?
If we listen to what Vieto Fernandez is saying over here, he basically was promoting dual citizenship. He basically was saying that there is unemployment in the country, and that is why he basically had a conversation with Rahul Gandhi. It was said in Konkani that he had a conversation with Rahul Gandhi in 2019 that how the constitution of India was forced on the Goans. Goans got liberated. Goa got liberated after Indian constitution was formed, and that is why, because the constitution is being
Arunil,
forced.
As far as the exclusive reaction of the Goa chief minister is concerned, let's play that out as far as him attacking not just the Congress party's candidate but also the Congress party, saying that the Indian constitution is being undermined.
नमस्ते। आज गोवा के कांग्रेस कैंडिडेट वीरेटो फर्नांडिस इन्होंने एक आज स्टेटमेंट दे दिया है कि भारत का संविधान इस प्रदेश पे लादा दिया गया है। भारत का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ द इंडिया फोर्सफुली यानी इम्प्लीमेंट किया है। मैं उसको कहना चाहता हूँ कि पहले 14 साल जो डिले हुआ गोवा इंडिपेंडेंस, गोवा लिबरेट होने के लिए, इसके लिए जिम्मेदार कांग्रेस है। तब की कांग्रेस की सरकार है, तब के प्राइम मिनिस्टर है। इन्होंने पहले तो 14 साल लेट कांग्रेस को, तब गोवा को लेट लिबरेशन मिला इन्हीं के कारण, और लिबरेशन मिलने के बाद यानी सभी को उत्साह हुआ, आनंद हुआ भारत देश में शामिल होने का, भारतीय नागरिकत्व मिलने का। मुझे लगता है कि आज 60 साल के बाद इस तरह का कैप्टन वीरेटो ने स्टेटमेंट करके फिर एक बार अपने फ्रीडम फाइटर्स का अपमान किया है, संविधान का अपमान किया है। इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि उन्होंने गोवा के लोगों की माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए, फ्रीडम फाइटर्स की माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए। दिस इज़ द मेंटलिटी एंड माइंडसेट ऑफ द कैप्टन वीरेटो। तो फिर जो यानी खुद होके कह रहा है कि मैंने खुद राहुल गांधी जी से बात की, और राहुल गांधी जी ने जब कहा कि ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फोर्सफुली गोवा के लोगों के ऊपर यानी
Arunil, I think that's the exclusive reaction that you were talking about of the Goa chief minister. However, he is now raising questions not just on the Congress candidate but also when it comes to the Congress party leadership.
Well, that is right. Goa CM Pramod Sawant basically hitting out at not only the South Goa Congress candidate Vieto Fernandez, but also at Rahul Gandhi. Basically saying that the Congress candidate is saying that Indian constitution was forced on the Goans. How can the Congress candidate basically speak in such kind of a demeaning manner about India's constitution and India as a country? Also hitting out at Rahul Gandhi that how a leader like Rahul Gandhi can support the thinking and thought process of a leader like Vieto Fernandez, who basically.
But as far as his controversial reaction is concerned, we would want to play that out as well, where he seems to recalling a conversation that he talks about that he had on the issue of dual citizenship with Congress leader Rahul Gandhi in the run-up to the Lok Sabha elections back in 2019.
Invitation धाडले मागचो आमचो राहुल गांधी येता. He was then the president of Congress party. सिद्धार्थ गोवान आयलो आणि आमकां म्हणपाक लागलो मागचे तुम्ही येवन ताचे कडेन डिस्कशन करा. आमी 12 प्रश्न मांडले आणि त्या 12 इश्यूजान एक इश्यू हाडलो. We demanded dual citizenship for the citizens of Goa. आणि तेन्ना ताणें विचारले, is it constitutional? आमी म्हणले नो. तो म्हणपाक लागलो then no discussion. I said sorry. I said sir, please listen. Constitution was implemented on 26 January 1950. We were not part of India. आणि जेन्ना 1961 आमी लिबरेट झाले ते कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पळय तुम्ही पास केले, जाका आमकां तुम्ही सांगता that it is unconstitutional. तुझ्या म्हणे ग्रँडफादर हू द फर्स्ट प्राईम मिनिस्टर आझाद मैदानात स्पीच दिली that the people of Goa will decide their destiny. आमची होई डेस्टिनी आणि कोणी डिसाइड केली.
All right, we'll get you more political reactions on that as far as how the BJP and both the Congress party has been reacting to this Congress candidate hailing from Goa. For the moment, Arunil, thank you very much for joining in. You're watching Times Now. We will be back after a short break.